me again. What do I got new? I think I'll just pile a bunch of crap together. I picked up set of brakes. Got thing working for the bike. I'll do a little Honda special here. I picked up this thing. It's the big. I'll show you. Picked up this part. It's the rear brake protector. I'm gonna clean it up and put it on the bike. It even came with 3 bolts. I'm gonna buy some new bolts there. That I got. I managed to find this in the pile of stuff. Actually, I think it was the pile of shit my brother gave me. A new old stock Chinesium carburetor. Brand swanking new. It's got dust all over it. So it's got all kinds of crap in it. It's probably going to have to be cleaned. So this is, I'm not using this because I already have 3 original carbs. What else? I haven't done much work on the channel, but if you stay tuned, I got a bunch of videos that basically hoarding Honda parts for now. I'll put back over here. I also got a one of these, the rear brake housing of a 250 ES. I don't know if it comes apart or not, but I picked up this, and here, I'll show you this real quick. I'll show you this. This right here should be a 10 millimeter somewhere here. I think it's 10 millimeter. Is it come off? Okay. It's got I ordered a rubber seal here too. Is this thing gonna come apart? Bolts are finished on here. That's all I know. The bolts are rusty. Too bad. Rusty. The other one I have it covered like this, it looks like it's been through hell. At least this one looks nice. Let's see. Take this off here. I don't even know if this cover's gonna come off. Don't even know. Come on. My bench is a complete utter mess because I keep taking tools out, putting them back, taking them out, putting them back. So I realized I should get one of those carts, but the cart will be permanently stashed in the corner somewhere. Let's see. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go. There's one. There's 2. Come on. Come on. There we go. 2. Dun, 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 dun. There's 3. That one. This one off. Probably a screwdriver would be faster. Come on. Oh, come on. Let's go. Come on. Anything in here? Is it gonna come off now? It won't come apart. Screwdriver. Yes. There we go. Basically, that's it. Apparently, it has a stuck screw in here, but the lever is shot too. This needs to be. So it looks good. It's not looking that good, but hey, you know what? It is what it is. I needed another one of these, and I have a brake drum. Didn't come with a brake drum, so got that. I also picked up. What else did I have? Oh, a set of brakes and this thing right here. This is a front brake cable. A used thing right here. The only problem is when I temporarily hooked up the front brake cable, and guess what? Those brakes are seized in there. So That's the next big debacle. Can I get that front off? So with that said, that's my latest with the Honda parts. I will be. I should show. I'm gonna try to get a video of me starting it up. It runs fine, but it has no brakes. So, and well, actually, it does have brakes. The problem is right now, the brake pedal has to be pushed down like to here because I think I have the brake cable adjusted all the way in the foot pedal because I think the cables. So I got to make the little end. I got to make a little end piece like this. I'm gonna cut it off about a 1/2 inch and heat up some lead and pour it in there and make a new one. And then file it down and put it on there again. Where did I get the idea from? Somebody else's channel. If I can remember the name, I'll put it up here. If I can't remember, thank you to other people on YouTube for making really cool videos on how to fix stuff. I watched his other duties. I was doing all kinds of cool stuff, and I can't remember his channel name. But there's a lot of good channels like there. I'm not exactly very helpful at stuff like that, but I learned a lot of stuff. So it helps me fix this. Also, the rear end of the bike. I watched a lot of videos on how to fix this thing. Now I know where the axle bearings go. I know how to take the drive shaft off. I know how to take the entire swing arm off. I know the drive shaft that was in there was the wrong one because it wasn't moving. I know how to take the wheels off. I know how to take the brakes off. I know how to put the brake lines on. I know how to put the reverse cable on. I know how to put the choke cable on. I know how to take the seat off, the gas tank off, and I know how to completely strip the front end. Only thing left. Oh, and I think I haven't done it. I'm going to get to that because the old transmission I took out, I'm going to be removing it, and I'm going to clean it up and maybe send it out. But I know to get all the parts, and I know how to replace. I get the idea. I haven't done it, so I'm going to try to rebuild the transmission. And the old axle, I have to clean it off and take that nasty brake plate off it. So I could use a press, but since the brake plate's no good, I'm going to cut it right in half and just smash it off. I'm going to do 2 cuts on both sides and cut the brake plate right off. That's my plan anyway. I don't know how that's going to work, but it's going to work. So I'm going to clean up the axle. I'm cleaning up the swing arm. I'll clean up the drive shaft. I'm going to either nickel plate some bolts or get some new bolts, put it all back together. And that frame over there is going to get a new rear end because I'm going to order the axle bearings, swing arm bearings, the swing arm bolts, and I'm just going to start putting it together piece by piece. When will this be finished? Probably 100 years from now. But so anyway, with that, thanks for watching. Toodles and yay, good job.